in the Novaliches Bayan with Cassie and Princess. Say hi! Hi! And my sister also, guys. Yeah, we are here for shopping. Okay, guys, because it's cheaper here. Pantalon. Here. Dito. Come on, Cassie. Here. Oh.
What are you doing?
What are you doing though, Mom? Yeah, your mom okay. Doing okay. Okay, what?
You're not like it like that.
You don't like the okay? But your mom still like it. Come on.
You're not like it.
This is for 100 pesos.
Looking myself, but I'll find other jacket. Who are you?
Cute sana. Kaso, ay, oo. Ano bang gusto ni Dodong? Yung jeans?
Auntie, did you hear that?
What?
It looks like a pastry sounds.
Come here. Dito, ate.
Ito pa, oh, maganda rin siya.
Oh. Hi, Cassie. Cassie, where are you? Huh? She's shy. $50 pesos. Iba na naman yung nagbantay dito. Iba na po nagbantay. Ay! Huwag po mag-ano dyan kay... Ha?
Maligo tayo. May katulad swimming o pwede umagal.
Tara doon tayo, te. Marami pa. Doon sa taas.
Akyatan pa sa mo.
Oh, doon. Wala na yata dyan eh.
Akyatan para dahan na.
Kaya na. Dito tayo. The chicken, the duck. Look, the duck love sleeping. The duck sleeping. Come on. What? Are you tired? The baby guy is not on good mood because she's tired for walking.
Tita, bili ako tubig.
Doon na.
Bili na tubig.
Ada. Here, oh. Marami pa doon.
Magdala tayo na magsigignog.
Oo. Na-afford. Oo. Yung usawa mo lang. She's not on good mood na. She's not on good mood. Little.
Ano? Ilagay mo na sa init, princess mo.
Oh, di ba coffee? Electric po. Let's go. Food, Harry Food Store. Dali, dito tayo. There. Yeah. Princess ba? Sis here.
Ay! Napasok!
Burger.
Isang kilo, isang maliit.
City.
Daddy, itong tubig ka.
Chicken nuggets.
Mas masumaw gani mo din.
Langot lang.
Tubig!
Sweet honey.
Hot dog.
Magkano kayo ganito? Hoy, princess dito. Kainit. Sausage. It's big. Ito na lang. Ano ba yun lang? Bisa lang. Wala lang. Oh, yes.
191.
Ay, sa resibo na lang. May resibo na lang. Ano yan, fish? Ay, sa'yo?
It's not. Uy. Ham. Sweet ham. Here. Look here. Kapal.
Ano ba na yung tama? Ha? Ito ba? Ilan? Isa. Kalagay mo naman. Gusto mo makapas mo?
Parang.
Okay naman.
Wait na. Ata.
Anak mo.
Oo nga. Bibili lang daw. Bibili lang daw.
Ito, walang ano dito eh, water eh. Doon na lang tayo magbilit eh.
Hala!
Ano?
7-Eleven!
This is for today, guys. See you in my next video.
Ano kailangan mga damit ko?